In this video, you'll learn how to claim free USDT in the Binance Task Center. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you understand each action necessary to successfully claim your rewards. Start by opening a Binance application or accessing the Binance website. If you are not already logged in, enter your account credentials to sign in. Once you are logged in, locate the Rewards or Task Center section. This can typically be found in the main menu or dashboard, depending on whether you're using the app or website. After navigating to the Task Center, you will see a list of available tasks that offer USDT rewards. It is essential to browse through these tasks. Take the time to review the eligibility criteria and any specific requirements associated with each task. Familiarizing yourself with these details will help ensure that you qualify for the rewards. Next, select a task that interests you and read the instructions provided. These instructions may include requirements such as achieving a certain trading volume or making a specific. Make sure to complete these tasks within the specified time frame to be eligible for the rewards. You can track your progress on the task page, so keep an eye on any deadlines or milestones. Once you have successfully completed the required tasks, you will need to claim your reward. Look for the Claim Reward button associated with the task you have completed. Tap on this button to initiate the reward redemption process. After you tap it, a confirmation prompt may appear asking you to verify that you want to claim the reward. Confirm this to proceed. After confirming, the USDT will be credited to your Binance wallet according to the campaign terms. It is a good idea to check your wallet balance to ensure that the USDT has been successfully added. Keep in mind that the time it takes for the funds to appear may vary depending on the campaign, so be patient if you do not see the funds immediately. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.